This is the video for Unit 7, Day 8. And in today's lesson, we are going to be dividing mixed numbers by fractions. We've done dividing whole numbers by fractions, dividing fractions by fractions, and today we are dividing mixed numbers now. And today's video is dedicated to Catherine in 6C. Hey, Catherine. Let's read our situation first. Jorge is cooking enchiladas and has 2 1/4 pounds of chicken. I made a quick typo here. That word's not supposed to be there. So 2 1/4 pounds of chicken. And each batch of enchiladas requires 3/4 pounds of chicken. And how many batches of enchiladas can he make? Okay, so we know in total we have 2 1/4 pounds of chicken, and each batch requires 3/4 of a pound, and so we want to figure out how many batches in total he can make. And so we know we're going to be using division in some way because we're trying to figure out how many 3/4 pounds are there in 2 1/4 pounds. And so I think to myself, okay, well, if I'm not sure how to do that, one way is I can draw it out. I can draw out a diagram. So let's do that right now. So 2 1/4 pounds, I'm going to draw it out as a big, long fraction bar like this. And I know I'm going to have 2 and then 1/4. So 2 1/4, that's between 2 and 3. So I'll draw out, this will be one hole, this will be 2 holes, and then I'll have 3 at the end. Right, 3 pounds total. And I have 2 1/4 all together. So since it's 1/4, and I'm going to be dividing it by 3/4, I want fourths. So I'll split my holes into fourths. So split each of these into fourths. Split each of these into fourths. And then I'll split this last one into fourths too. And what I have is 2 1/4 pounds of chicken. So I'll shade that in first. So 1 whole pound is right here. 2, 3, 4. And then I have another pound, that's 2 full pounds, and then 1/4. So I have this right here. So 2 1/4 pounds right there. And I'll go ahead and label this here. All of that is 2 1/4. And each batch requires 3/4 of a pound. So I'm going to start dividing. See how many 3/4 sections I can make out of this right here, out of this 2 1/4 section. So this is 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. So here is one section of 3/4. So I'll put 3/4 here. And under that, I'll put 1, so I can keep it really clear. That's the first batch. Another 3/4 here, right? 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. So that's 3/4 right there. And that's going to be my second batch. I'll put a big 2 under there. And I still have some chicken left. And let's see if I can make another full batch. 1 batch, 2 batch, 3 batches. That's another 3/4 right there. And that's my third batch. So from the 2 1/4 pounds, which is what we had here, I was able to make 1, 2, 3 batches because each batch requires 3/4 of a pound. So for my division statement, I started with 2 1/4 pounds. And how much did we divide each section into? How big was each section? 1, to 3/4 right here. So 2 1/4 divided into sections that were 3/4 gave us 1, 2, 3 sections altogether. So 3 sections. So 2 1/4 divided by 3/4 equals 3. So we want to put our answer in words. What we just did was 2 1/4 pounds divided into 3/4 of a pound sections gives us 1, 2, 3, 3 sections. So whenever it asks us to write our answer in words as a full sentence, for a situation like this, that's what we can write. Alright, so now once you get this example, what I would like for you to do is hear your directions. Sign out of your computer, close it, and I want you to leave it on your desk. This is so that you can stay working and you can stay focused. So sign out of your computer, close it, and leave it on your desk. I'm going to be coming around to see how many of you can follow this direction well. And then I want you to work with your desk partner to finish pages 4 and 5. This is so you can practice what we just learned here on your own so you can really get it into your head. Okay, good luck.